Hello guys, welcome once again to Sparky Media. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about Gram network withdrawal, how to withdraw from Gram or how to sell Gram. If you have been mining this very token and you have been making endless research on how can I withdraw it or how can I sell it, then in this video tutorial, I am going to be explaining all that. All you need to do is to calm yourself down, watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line, because in this very video you are going to learn everything about the Gram network withdrawing process and the selling process. Okay, but before I proceed with this video, guys, if you are coming across my channel for the first time or you are hearing my voice for the first time, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss, and what I do here on my channel is all about business. I share business tips, money making ideas, and updates on daily basis here on this my channel. All you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest update is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that to be notified anytime I release new videos or updates like this. And then if you enjoy videos like this and you want more update, you can check the link in the comment section of this video below to join my Telegram group. So let's get started. But before we start, I would love to lay a disclaimer. This is disclaimer. This video is meant for educational and informational purpose only and not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice or guarantee any result. So therefore, you are always advised to make your own research and verify the authenticity of every platform before using them. Okay, so talking about the Gram network withdrawal, how can you withdraw from Gram network? All right, when you take a look at the option of wallet, you click on wallet. The only option you can see here is send and receive. There is no any option like withdraw. Now, why is there no option like withdraw? There is no option like withdraw because this project is currently in their mining phase. What that simply means that you can only mine and accumulate the token and still choose to send it to other users using the send and receive option, or still buy from other users. So at this point now, what people are doing is that they are buying it and selling it. What this simply means that if you want to withdraw, you can use the send option to sell to the person that is buying it if you have a trusted buyer or you are in their P2P trading WhatsApp platform. So it is there you will get buyer. So when you get a buyer, you then paste the person recipient here, the recipient ID here, and then you enter the amount, which the minimum is currently 50. It's currently 50 gram. So when you put the amount here, then you can now send it to the person. So that is the only means of withdrawing for now. Okay, so maybe when they want to list, they will add withdrawal option where one can now withdraw to crypto exchanges like Binance, Bitgate, Bybit, and etc. So for now, you can only sell, send and receive as means of withdrawal. You cannot withdraw directly to any of the crypto exchange because they have not yet listed on exchanges. However, people are currently buying this in the black market, meaning they are trading P2P. So that is the only way this project works. If this video helped you, don't forget there is love in sharing. As I've shared this tutorial with you, also share it with friends and family, and may God bless you as you share this video. Thank you and remain Sparky.